Hi team, I wanted to use this video to show you how to go ahead and do the first discussion assignment. So first, we're under discussions, we're on a new post, we're starting a new thread, so give it a title. So then when we want to write the equation out, notice there's the little ellipses here. You can click on this and then it'll bring up a template for writing your formulas. So you'd use this, so let's say I wanted x to the third, x upper third, arrow over to bring it back down. Let's say you wanted a square root, we could do square root of 4. We can do greater thans and less thans, infinities. Okay, so you get the idea. You're going to be doing not this exact thing, but something similar. And then you're going to want to put a picture in. And notice there's a few things. This one says insert stuff, and this one says insert image. So let's insert an image. So you want to find it on your computer. So I did a math picture. I hit add. They want you to say, like, if the picture isn't working, what is it going to say? Or you can say it's decorative. Either way. Alright, there we go. So now I have my picture in here and the equation, not the same equation that you're going to do, but similar. And then I can hit post. Okay, that's it. I hope that helped.